Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ubaid Laghari, student of Business Administration, batch BBA 2K17, Sindhi University campus Larkana. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of entrepreneurship and the importance of entrepreneurship in the society and in the economy of country. We will also describe that what are the main characteristics of successful entrepreneur and what is the process to become an entrepreneur. We will also discuss that why people choose to become an entrepreneur. The second topic is the business plan. We will also discuss and describe the main difference between the business plan, business model and the business proposal. Another topic we have, that is the purpose of business plan, that why people need to write a business plan. We will also describe that what are the reasons behind writing the business plan. We will also discuss that readers of business plan, that who will read the business plan. The third topic is the feasibility analysis and why it is important before starting the any kind of venture or before the launching of any kind of product. We will also discuss and describe the product and service analysis and the market feasibility and the risk management and the financial analysis. So these are the topics that we will discuss in this lecture. So starting the lecture with a simple and brief definition of entrepreneur, that what entrepreneur is. So basically the entrepreneur is a person who manages the business with the creative and innovative ideas. Means the entrepreneur is a person who manages the business and offers the different products and services to the customers. So if we talk about the process and the concept of entrepreneurship, so basically the entrepreneurship is the process of identifying the opportunities in the market and gather the different ideas in order to establish the business. Means the first step in the entrepreneurship is just to identifying the opportunities that are available in the market and then take the useful ideas in order to start the business. Means in the entrepreneurship, the person who want to start the business would just look at the opportunities that are available in the market and then check that what is available and what is possible in the market, and then gather the different ideas and then establish the venture. Means the entrepreneurship is the process of identifying the opportunities in order to establish the business. So if we talk about the why people choose to become an entrepreneur, so the first reason is to people choose to become an entrepreneur because they want to be their own boss. Means they want to work as independently. It will result to achieve their professionally and personally goals. So the second reason is just to pursue their own ideas. Means they look at the different opportunities that are available in the market and then gather the different ideas in order to start the business. Means in the pursue their own ideas, they convert their ideas after finding the opportunities in the market and then start the venture. Another reason that people choose to become an entrepreneur is that pursue the financial rewards, because they want to earn more as compared to whether they are working with the private and government sector. So if we talk about the characteristics of successful entrepreneurs, so basically there are three main characteristics of successful entrepreneur. So first one is the passion for the business. Means the entrepreneur that must have the passion and the willingness to start the business that are based on the creativity and the innovation. So the second is the product and the customer focus. So the product should be the quality based and the creative and the innovative. Means they have to provide the products and services that are based on the quality, that are based on the quality. Another characteristics of entrepreneur is just to execution of intelligence. Means they have an ability to develop and execute their ideas that have gathered from the market. So here is the importance of the entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur has the positive and a strong impact on the economy and the society where the business runs, because they offer the different products and services that are based on the creative and innovative. So in this regard, the customer and consumer demand can increase because the entrepreneur who offers the different products and services that are based on the creative and innovative. So the importance of the entrepreneur in the economy is just to innovation. So the innovation is the process of creating the something new. Means the entrepreneur who start the business and creates the something new for their customers, as well as the job creation. Means the entrepreneur who wants to start the business, it will be the result of creation of jobs. So the process of to become an entrepreneur is just to decide to be an entrepreneur. So earlier we discussed about that why people choose to become an entrepreneur, because they want to be their own boss and pursue their own ideas, and they can achieve the financial goals. So the first step to become an entrepreneur is just to be decided that we have to work with the organization, or we have to start their own venture. So another step is just to develop the successful business idea, means they have to recognize the opportunities that are available in the market, and then gather the data and idea from the market in order to start the business, we can say, in order to start the venture. So another process is just to the moving from an idea to venture, means whatever the information and whatever ideas and opportunities that is gathered by the person from the market, now it has to convert into the starting the business, means the idea that has been generated, now he has to start and open their own venture. At the end, they have to manage and grow with the different strategies and different plans and the different decisions. So this was the concept of entrepreneurship. So the second topic is the business plan. So basically the business plan is the systematically process of developing the roadmap that consists of different plans and different strategies in order to achieve the goals and objectives. Means the business plan is the written documents of the instructions and the guidelines for opening the new venture. So if we talk about the difference between business plan, business model and business proposal, so the business plan consists of the detailed information regarding the overall business, means whatever we will do in the future and what will be our marketing strategies, what will be our finance. So overall data we will define in the business plan in detail. If we talk about the business model, so it is the process of it is the process that recognize that the sources of generating the profit of the company, means we represent the sources of profit with the graphical, and we can say with the models. And if we talk about the business proposal, so it is the process of offering for the sponsorship or for inviting the other parties. So there are basically the three types of business plan. First is the summary business plan, we can say the short business plan that consists with the 10 to 15 pages, and the full business plan, we can say the medium business plan that consists with the 25 to 35 pages, and the operational plans that consist the 40 to 100 pages, means we will define the overall process in the operational plans that will be included in our business. And if we talk about the purpose of business plan, so basically the business plan is a pre-planned statement in which we decided and we write the different the guidelines and instructions before operating the new business. So the pre-planned statement consists the different strategies and different plans before operating the new venture. Another purpose is just to convince for support, means you can apply for the loan in the bank on the basis of business plan. If the business plan has well written and well prepared, so you can apply for the financial assistance from the bank, so they can support you if on the basis of the business plan that you have written. Another purpose is just to achieve the objectives, means the whatever you want to achieve in the future. If you want to start the business, you have to write the business plan that you have to act accordingly, means you will achieve the objective by the well written and well prepared the business plan. Another purpose is just to successfully execution of venture, means if you have a well written and well prepared the business plan, so you can just execute your business idea easily, and we can say the successfully you will execute your ideas that will be implemented in the business, we can say, in the future. So basically there are the two primary reasons behind writing the business plan, so the internally and externally. If we talk about the internally reason, so we prepare the business plan for the internal employees to follow the instructions and the guidelines that are prepared in the business plan. And if we talk about the external, so we prepare the business plan because to communicate with the external parties. In the external parties we have investors, we have bankers and stakeholders, means the outsider person, we can communicate with the outsider person with the business by the business plan. So the readers of business plan is the investors. They can check our business plan that how the business plan is written and prepared. So the investor can check whether the business plan is feasible and well prepared. so that the investor will read the business plan. Another reader is the firm's employees, so the firm's employees can read the business plan for the instructions and guidelines. So this was the concept of business plan and the difference between the business plan, business model and business proposal. We also discussed about the types of business plan and the purpose of business plan, as well as the two primary reasons and the readers of business plan. So the third and last topic is the feasibility analysis. So the first of all, let's discuss about the feasibility analysis. So basically the feasibility analysis is the process of analyzing the suitability of business, means whether we will manage the business or not. Basically the feasibility analysis is shows that the favorable and unfavorable movement, we can say the situation that can be helpful for the business or not. So the feasibility analysis can be checked by the primary research and the secondary research. However, the feasibility analysis, in the business owner will check the suitability for the products and services, whether they will manage or not. So before launching the new product and starting the new venture, they check the feasibility analysis whether they will perform effectively and efficiently or not. So the products and services analysis. Few things are the most important that should be considered before launching any kind of products and services. That is necessary to consider these all the factors that should be considered as main reason and the main purpose of the analysis. Means the features, what will be the features that will be added in the products and services, and what will be the design of our products and services, as well as what will be the time period of completing the products and services, and the cost that will be utilized in order to produce the more products and services, as well as what will be the benefits of our products and services. So basically these the factors that are must consider to be analyzed the products and services. So another the tool is the market feasibility. So in the market feasibility, the businessman, we can say the entrepreneur, checks the demand of the customer, that what is the demand of customer in the market and what is the competition, and we can say what are the competitors brand that are surviving in the market, and the buying behavior of a person, we can say the buying behavior of consumer, as well as the supply that has been provided to the customer. Means in the feasibility analysis we check these all the areas for successfully launching the new products. So another factor is the risk management. So in the business in the feasibility analysis we also check the uncertainty we have to face regarding to the operating the new business, or we can say regarding the launching the new products and services. So another factors, that is the financial analysis. So in the financial analysis we check the financial resources that are used in order to produce more goods and services, and what will be the startup investment, we can say what will be the startup capital which has been utilized in order to operate the new business. And then we have to take the financial plans towards better outcome and better productivity. And if we talk about the why feasibility analysis is necessary before launching the new products and services, or we can say why it is necessary before starting the new venture. So the feasibility analysis can provide the information regarding to the suitability of business. Means the feasibility analysis can provide the information whether the business will be the operated will be successfully or not. Means whether the business will be managed efficiently and effectively or not. Another reason we can find from through the feasibility analysis is to a business take decision regarding the overall system and regarding the starting the venture. Means that can provide the necessary information whether the business should be started or not. Means overall situation, we can say the feasibility analysis can provide the effective information regarding the whole market and products and services, as well as the market competition and the industry analysis. So these information can be helpful for before the starting the new business. So in this process the business owner can take the decision regarding that they have to start the business or not. So another reason that feasibility analysis is necessary, so it provide the whatever the business expect, so they will achieve or not. Means the feasibility analysis can provide the favorable and unfavorable movements that can be faced by the company, we can say the business, while launching the new product or while starting the new business. So this was all about the concept of entrepreneurship and the business plan, as well as the feasibility analysis. Thank you.